Hi.
Hi.
And this is After the Works. If you didn't know in our last one,
I'm Cassie.
and I was Lindsay.
You what?
I am Lindsay.
Yeah. Can't go.
And you know what? It's so
Got
hot
it.
outside. You could a firework could light itself without even. You know.
Observe.
See, watch.
Observe. 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 Another.
See, look, the ground is smoking.
Encore. Encore.
Trey, stop.
No. Okay. Well.
Trey, stop. This is our famous flame blower.
Flamethrower. Ready?
Oh. That was a dead.
Well.
Now I'm gonna juggle this.
He will juggle flame.
Did it.
Okay,
That was a good one.
this is how much we made. Look at that.
Here are all the snakes. That was the sunflower that shot up, and this.
The satellite's over here.
We have satellite. Okay. Now.
Happy hunting! Bye.